Hello everyone. Is my screen visible and audio, video, everything fine? Let me know in the comment section if my audio is clear and video is fine. Yes, right now it is clear. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about calculus topic and we will discuss questions from calculus for GATE 2026. Kaushin Ansari. Hello sir. Hello Kaushin. My audio and video everything fine? Can we start the session? Nutan Kumari. Good evening sir. Good evening Nutan. Audio and video everything is fine? Can we start the session? All fine sir Kaushin. Okay, so let's start the session. This session will be very much interesting because calculus is frequently asked in your GATE paper, whatever the branch you are belongs to. So let's discuss our first question. This is our first question, which is based on limits. In this question, the limit is x tending to 0, 1 minus cos 2x into sine 5x upon x square sine of 3x, right? Everyone just attempt this question and let me know what is your approach and whatever you are answer getting, let me know in the comment section. This is very good question because this type of question you can expect in your GATE exam. Do you want some hint on this question? You can use sin x upon x, limit x tending to 0 is 1, and you can use 1 minus cos 2x is given and into sine 5x upon x square into denominator में है हमारे पास में x square and then sine 5x, right? You can use 1 minus cos 2 theta as 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta, right? You can use 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sine square x. Instead of 1 minus cos 2x, you can write, yes, Tilak Raj, you are correct. Tilak Raj, you are correct. You can use 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sine square x. Use this thing, then use sin x upon x, then you will get the answer. Use this part. Tilak, you are correct. Anyone who has got the answer, let me know in the comment box. 8 people are watching and only 6 likes are there. So I request everyone to subscribe to the channel and like the session. Just double tap on the screen, the video will get like. Okay. Anyone who has got the answer, let me know in the comment box. Okay, so let me discuss this question. So instead of 1 minus cos 2 theta, you can write 2 sine square x, right? And then write this x square, okay, into sine 5x over multiply divide by 5x, right? And then after you have sine 3x, so just multiply divide by 3x. Now you can find out the limit. Sir, video is blur. Okay, just let me check. Now it is fine. Notan Kumari is telling video is blur. Now it is fine. I have just checked my camera. I have cleared my camera off. Yes, okay, Nutan is telling yes, sir. Okay. We can use limit x tends to 0, sine ax by ax equals to then L hospital. Yes, you can use that one also. So in this question, just I have done what? See, instead of 1 minus cos 2x, I have written sine square, 2 sine square theta, and this x square was there. And then sine 5x, I have multiplied divided by 5x, numerator and denominator side. And in order to make this sine 3x, I have multiplied divided by 3x. Okay. Yes, Ritu Kumari, you are correct. A is the correct answer. So you will get, this will be 2 into 1 into 1, this will be 1, and then 5x, 5 upon 3. X is cancel out. You will left out with 10 by 3. That is option A, right? Is everything fine for this question? Can we move to the next question if everything is correct in this question? If you have got the correct answer, then can we move to the next question? Kausheen Ansari is telling clear, sir. Okay. So 10 people are watching and only 8 likes are there. I request each and everyone who have joined recently, they can subscribe to the channel and you can like the session if you are enjoying the session. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Yes. You can also share the link of our session with your friends so that they can also join and start practicing the questions. Okay. Navneet Mishra. Okay. Thank you so much, Navneet. You can share the link of our this session with your friends so that they can also join and we can have an interactive session. I want each and every one to involve in the session and you can continuously interact with me so that you will also learn something and I will also enjoy teaching also, right? So the session should be interactive, right? Tilak Raj, you are correct. Anyone else who have solved this question? You can use L hospital rule in this question because if you put x equal to 1, you will see that it has the condition that is indeterminate form, that is 0 upon 0. Nutan Kumari D. Correct, Nutan, you are correct. Navneet is telling 0. No, Navneet, 0 is not the correct answer. Navneet is telling here C. No, Navneet, C is not the correct answer. Navneet. I request each and everyone to share the channel, to share the session with your friends. You can share the link of this session with your friends so that they can also join and we can have the interactive session. Navneet Mishra, okay, no, Navneet, you are incorrect. Tilak Raj is telling -1/2. Yes, Tilak, you are correct. -1/2 is not in the option, so that's why option is the correct answer. Yes, Tilak, you are fine, correct. 13 people are watching, but only 9 likes are there. I request each and everyone to like the session, double tap on the screen, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe as well. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, and you can download our app GateJet from the Google Play Store. I have provided the link of our app in the description box. You can join the WhatsApp doubt solving group also, and you can download our app from the description box. I have provided the link in the description box, right? So the hint for this question is that you can use L'Hospital rule, because when you put x equal to 1, you will see that log 1 is 0 and 1 minus 2, I am putting x equal to 1. So you will see that numerator and denominator will have 0. That means it's a indeterminate form. So that's why we can use L'Hospital rule. Okay. So in L'Hospital rule, what we do? We differentiate numerator and denominator. Okay. If we differentiate in numerator, you will get 0, and log x को differentiate करेंगे तो 1/x आएगा, and x को differentiate करेंगे तो 1 आएगा, right? Then in denominator also, if you differentiate, you will get this. Ritu Kumari is telling answer is D. Yes, Ritu, you are correct. Navneet -0.5. Yes, Navneet, you are correct. But option not given. Okay, Ritu Kumari is telling -1/2 is, but yes, there is option D, that is none. So that's why you can tick the option none. Okay. Tilak Raj, we have to use L'Hospital rule twice. Yes, Tilak, you are correct. So once you do this, you will get this thing, that is limit x approaches to 1, and then you will have 1/x minus 1 upon 2x minus 2. You can write like this also. If you check again, you will find that again it is having 0/0 form. You can put x equal to 1, and you will see that it is again having 0/0 form. So that's why you have to again differentiate in numerator and denominator. So once you differentiate in numerator, you will get this thing, 2x ka derivative 2, 2 ka derivative 0. Bhargav is telling, sir, I am in my 3rd year right now. My exams are going on, end semester, sir. It will end on 22nd, sir. After that, will I have to do maths and aptitude? I have completed 5 subjects after leaving maths and aptitude. Bhargav, the thing is that you have to complete maths, because maths and aptitude will fetch you around 28 marks. Out of 28, if you score 25 plus, that's superb. So you have to practice at least 1 hour per day, maths and aptitude each. Okay. You have to see the end semester exams also. I can understand. Okay. So you will get this thing, that is limit x approaches to 1, and then minus 1/x square upon 2, right? Now, what you have to do? You have to again put the limit and see that the indeterminate form has been removed or not. When you put x equal to 1, you will get minus half. That is option D is the correct answer. The limit comes out to be -1/2. So that's why option D will be the correct answer, that is none. Bhargav, you can prepare for this semester exams right now, because your semester exam is there. After completing your semester exam, you can start devoting 1 hour or 2 hours Okay. Bhargav is telling, yes, sir, I will start maths and aptitude from 22nd of December. It will be done in a month, sir. I don't have any class in January. Yes, definitely in a month you can practice. 30 days is sufficient for maths and aptitude. If you are good at maths and aptitude, and if you devote 30 to 40 days, it will be more than enough. Right? So is this question fine? Can we move to the next question? Can we move to the next question? Is this question fine? Everyone has solved this problem? Any doubt in this question? So we can move to the next one. Ritu is telling clear. Navneet is also telling yes. Okay. So let's do the next one. Jai Mahakal is telling option C. Yes, Jai Mahakal is telling option C, and Anand is also telling option C. I want to see different people to answer. Anyone who has got the answer C? Bhargav is telling, sir, I am thinking of completing your theory in 10 days, maths aptitude. After that, I will revise PYQs from 1st January along with course revision. Yes, Bhargav, you can follow this approach. Navneet Mishra is telling C. Anyone who has got option C? Ritu Kumari, option C. Yes. The answer correct. Option C is the correct answer. Bhargav Das, sorry sir, question solved के time में disturb कर दिया. Thank you sir for your effort. Love from Assam. Yes, Bhargav, thank you so much for your compliment. Tilak Raj is telling answer C. Yes, Ritu Kumari is telling 1 plus fx by gx. Yes, Ritu, you are correct. We will use this property whenever you have x approaches to a, 1 plus fx and then raised to the power 1 upon gx, you can directly write the limit value as e raised to the power limit x approaches to a fx by gx. So you can use this one, this theory. Okay. So when you use this part, you will see in the question itself, the fx is given as what? 2 by x. In the question itself, if you compare this part and this part, you will see fx as, you will see that fx is 2 by x and 1 upon gx is what? X. So you can write g of x as 1 upon x, right? You just compare this part and this part and then use this property. The limit value will be what? E raised to the power limit x approaches to a, x approaches to infinity, right? Fx by gx. Fx is what? 2 by x. Gx is what? 1 by x, right? Nutan Kumari is telling C. Yes, Nutan, you are correct. So once you will find that this will cancel out and you will left out with e square. That will be the value of this particular limit. That is option C is the correct one. Okay. So is this question fine? Anyone has any doubt in this particular problem? Let me know in the comment. You can share the session link with your friends or in different WhatsApp group so that they can also join the session and they can also have this whole learning of calculus part. If you want, you can share the link with your friends as well. Okay, Tilak Raj is telling clear, sir. Anyone who has doubt in this particular problem, let me know in the comment box. Ritu Kumari is telling clear, sir. Okay. Can we move to the next question? So I think we can move to the next. Yes, okay. Nutan Kumar is telling yes, sir. Okay. So this is the problem that was asked in GATE 2014 electronics paper, 1 mark. You will see the students usually get afraid of this calculus topic because they don't know how to approach the problems in limit, maxima, minima, Taylor series and integral part. But if you follow a particular approach for this calculus part, you will find that the questions are not that much difficult. Navneet is telling C. Ritu Kumar is telling C. Jay Mahakal is telling C. Nutan Kumar is also telling C. Tilak Raj is telling also C. That means the correct answer is C. Because this much of people is responding to the problem, that means the correct answer is C. Tilak Raj is also telling the answer is C. Okay. So, what is the approach of question? The same approach can we follow for this question as well? Right? So, in this problem, the fx is what? 1 upon x. And 1 upon gx is what? 1 upon x. Sorry, gx is 1 upon x, right? Okay. So, what you can do? You can follow this one. Limit x approaches to a 1 plus fx whole raised to the power gx. This part just we discussed 2 minutes earlier. You can directly write limit x approaches to a fx over gx, right? So use this property in order to get the answer. Fx is 1 by x, gx is 1 by x. You can directly write the answer as e raised to the power limit x approaches to infinity, fx is 1 by x and gx is 1 by x. Then you can cancel out this x and you will left out with e raised to the power 1, that is nothing but e, that is exponential whose value is 2.71, but in the option it is given that is e itself, right? You can use this whole funda for this particular problem. This funda is very much important for GATE because either they will ask question on L'Hospital rule or this particular property, right? So you have to thorough with this particular property of limit as well as L'Hospital rule. Okay. Vishal is telling option is C. Yes, Vishal, you are correct. So, doubt in this question, can we move to the next one? If no one has any doubt in this question, can we move to the next problem? Ritu Kumar is telling clear. Okay, let's go for the another one. This was asked in GATE 2010, 1 mark computer science. Nutan Kumari is telling yes, sir. Okay. So you can attempt this problem and once you get the answer, let me know in the comment box, or if you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment box. Okay. Nutan Kumari is telling B. B for Bombay. Anyone? Jay Mahakal is telling B. Anand is telling B. Tilak Raj is telling B. Anyone? Anyone else? Anyone else? Navneet Mishra is telling answer is B. Anyone else who has got the answer as B? The correct answer is B. Same, using the same property that we discussed right now, using the same property that we discussed, fx is minus 1 by n, gx is 1 by 2n, right? Using the same property that we discussed, Ritu Kumar is telling answer is B. Yes, Ritu, you are correct. Using the same property, that is limit x approaches to a, 1 plus fx whole raised to the power 1 upon gx. If we have this limit, you can directly write the value of that limit as limit e raised to the power limit x approaches to a, fx over gx. Why I am writing each and every time this property? So that this should be settled in your subconscious mind. That's why I am writing each and every time this particular property, so that after seeing multiple times, this will settle down in your subconscious memory. Ritu Kumar is telling, considering fx as minus 1 by n. Yes, Ritu, you are correct. So you can directly write the value of this limit as e raised to the power limit x, sorry, n is approaching now, okay, n is approaching towards infinity, fx is minus 1 by n, gx is 1 upon 2n, right? If you see, you will get n as cancel out and you will left out with e raised to the power minus 2, right? That is option B is the correct one. Okay, so anyone has any doubt in this particular problem? I should move the camera to little bit up so that you can see the screen. Is my screen visible, right? I have just moved my iPad a little bit up. Okay, so anyone has any doubt in this particular problem? Anyone has any doubt in this particular problem? You can let me know in the comment box. I will be more happy to discuss one more time, no issue. I am here to help out. But provided that you have to make effort for that. If you want to just in your bed and if you want to just watching without pen and paper and if you're just watching like a movie, it will not help. You have to sit with the pen and paper and you have to solve, because this is maths, this is not physics or chemistry or any ratta maru subject. If you want to solve maths, you have to be ready with the pen and paper, right? Because maths needs practice. The more you do practice, the more you learn. And in GATE, you have maths and aptitude is asked for 28 marks. So 28 marks, and you will see that in most of the branches, you will see the cutoff is 28 marks only. So you can clear the GATE exam by only preparing maths and aptitude thoroughly. Right? So you can't ignore maths and aptitude for GATE exam. I request each and everyone who have joined recently, they can subscribe to the channel, and if you want, you can like the session as well. You can download our app, that is GateJet, from the Google Play Store. I have provided the link of our app in the description box. you can visit description box of this particular session and you can download our app and you can join the WhatsApp group as well. Right? Okay, can we move to the next one? So we have the next problem, GATE 2014 mechanical, 1 mark. People are coming and for 2-3 minutes they are watching and just going. See, if you are not solving here in the practice session, you will have to face difficulty in the actual GATE paper. So it's better you solve right now, right here only. Sit with the pen and paper and just attempt the question. I'm not expecting that you should give the correct answer. Just attempt. If it is incorrect, no issue. Because we are men or we are just person, we can make mistakes. Right? But if you are not if you are not trying, it means you have you are ignoring the things and you are thinking, okay, I will do everything in the actual GATE paper. It will not happen. Right? If you want to get something, you have to make effort for that. In this particular problem, I can give you one hint. You can try using L'Hospital rule. You can put x equal to 0 in this particular numerator and denominator part. You will see the indeterminate form is coming or not. And then you can differentiate in the numerator and denominator part and thus see whatever you are getting. Anyone who has got the correct answer, let me know in the comment box. "13 people are watching. I request each and everyone who have joined recently, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to the channel and you can double tap on the screen and you can like the session as well." No one is responding. I'm just worried about you guys. No one is responding. I think at least one or two people should answer. Anyone? No one has got the correct answer. So can I solve? So in this particular problem, if you put x equal to 0, you will see that you put x equal to 0 for confirming that it can be done through L'Hospital rule or not. So e raised to the power 0 is 1 and then sine 0 is 0. So you will see that you will get an indeterminate form. That means you have to differentiate in the numerator part and denominator part. Once you differentiate in the numerator part, you will get e raised to the power 2x. The derivative of 2x will be 2 minus 0 upon sin 4x का डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? cos 4x and 4x का डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो 4 आ जाएगा. Right? Now, what you can do? You can again check that whether this indeterminate form has been removed or not. Whether this indeterminate form has been removed or not, you can again put x equal to 0 and check whether this indeterminate form has been removed or not. Now again put x equal to 0, you will find e raised to the power 0 upon 4 into cos 0. You will find that e raised to the power 0 is 1 and cos 0 is 1, right? So you will get 1 by 2, that is nothing but 0.5. That means the value of this particular limit will be what? 0.5. This indeterminate form has been removed, right? We have just taken x equal to 0 in the numerator and x equal to 0 in the denominator part in order to check whether this particular indeterminate form has been removed or not. We have got 0.5 as the correct answer. So option B will be the correct answer. No one has got the correct answer, I think. Okay, considering fx equal to, so any difficulty in this question, let me know in the comment box. I will elaborate once more. If you have any doubt in this particular problem, you can comment down and I will elaborate one more time. I have used L'Hospital rule. I have differentiated in the numerator part and denominator part individually, separately, right? Anyone can respond because I'm not seeing any comment. Is my voice clear? I'm not seeing why I'm not seeing any comment. Can you confirm? Can you confirm that my voice, audio and video is clear? Because I am not able to see any comment. Is my voice and video is clear?